Welcome to this quick guide on how to use Microsoft 365 Copilot in Word to compose and summarize documents efficiently. Whether you're drafting a report or summarizing meeting notes, Copilot is here to help you save time and enhance your productivity. Let's start with composing a document. With Copilot, you can generate drafts by simply providing a concise prompt. Type in or paste your prompt where it says, describe what you'd like to write, and then select Generate. Copilot will create a draft for you, which you can review and edit as needed. Next, let's look at summarizing documents. Copilot can quickly summarize existing documents into easily consumable points. Select the Copilot icon and choose Summarize this doc. Copilot will provide a concise summary that you can use to grasp the key points and details. Here are some practical tips to make the most of Copilot in Word. 1. Provide clear and concise prompts to get more accurate and relevant results. 2. Review and edit the generated content to ensure it aligns with your goals and voice. 3. Use Copilot to draft, summarize, or refine content, especially for tasks you do often, to save time and stay productive. That's it for this quick guide on using Microsoft 365 Copilot in Word to compose and summarize documents. Give it a try and see how it can transform your workflow. Thanks for watching.